Happy good morning from Houseforce here on the Costa Blanca. We're in the middle of February. Weather's gorgeous. We're here this morning. We're going to be re-tiling the complete bottom floor of the villa. So all the areas are going to be tiled and taken off right through to the kitchen. That's the client sweeping up before we've even started. All the bedrooms have got to be done. Do something with this area here. We're taking care of some damp issues. This is ventilation, most of it. So we're going to be putting a vent in this wall to get some new air passing through when it's closed up occasionally, because the client doesn't live here permanently. So yeah, like a typical Spanish house, it has problems with damp. Look, the client's even pointing out an area over there. But yeah, we're going to be getting on here today.